Right there, I see that. I see that.
There we go.
He's down, he's down. Hey, do we want to start pushing?
We want to get a team together.
Yeah.
Have this 5 right
Hey,
here.
let me get like 2 or 3. Hey, look, tree.
Where at?
Dead. Okay. That's okay. Hey, give me like 2 or 3.
Vincent, push up. You're good. Hey, do we know where the objective is?
Yeah, it's in the front of the fire base.
Okay. We got a friendly down. Reloading. You're down, right? Fuck me, man. You just keep it on you, or for a couple seconds? Huh?
Just keep it on me.
Yeah, you're good. Hey, do you guys have grenades?
No, I just have spring. Justin, let's go. Get in the trench, Levi. Get in the trench.
One on tower, one on tower. Watch the guy on tower.
Tower. Woods guy, shoot the tower.
One on tower!
Go in trench.
What's up?
What's up, man? Gunner's down! Hey, I got the gunner!
Alright.
What is it, your magazine?
No, it got dirt in it.
Here, try another mag.
No, it's not my. It's. I see the dirt up the barrel.
Alright, I'll cover you while you figure it out.
We got green up here, Okay.
Alright, one's down.
One in the,
Yep, I got one.
Alarm tower's out. Pillbox in front of us! Pillbox in front of us! Pillbox in front of you, right here.
On you, on you.
Bottom of bunker, bottom of bunker. Anybody have a grenade?
Yeah, I got one.
No, I got a spring.
Hey! Medic!
Go.
Come in.
We need more of the truck.
You're good.
Go! Get on the fire base! I just took her out.
Hey, watch the gunner. I don't know if there's a gunner.
There is a gunner. Let's see if she pops back up.
Gunner's up.
All right.
Gunner's down.
Hurry up, kill me.
Hey, I got one on the left trench.
Green, you said?
Yeah, I'm down.
Got a tourniquet?
I don't. Appreciate it.
Trenches?
I took out a few. Tunnel we fragged, but I'm not sure if it's clear.
So I'm in trenches, it's mostly clear, might be tunnels.
I had friendlies up ahead, but I don't know if they're down or not. Yep, we got one friendly up there.
Okay, he's friendly?
Yep.
You wanna try and move up?
Yeah, I'm gonna move up to the left right here. You guys cover tunnel while I move, all right?
Yeah, good dad, just come on out.
Green. How we doing here?
Good on this side.
All right. Are we on the objective?
Yellow trench is right there, so yeah.
All right. On you, Green.
I'm just watching the turret.
Are they using it as cover? Oh, they're in the turret?
He's trying to get up on it.
All right. Fuck. Hey, Green, are they on the tree line?
Huh?
We got any infantry?
We have some guys that way, but that way there's still enemy. And from over there they lit up our
What,
guy.
friendlies?
Enemy that way.
Okay.
Friendly that way this way.
Yo!
What?
Humvee on our right.
Yeah, we just hug the corner.
Right here. Get ready to suppress him.
Hey, try and get the gunner if you have a
We'll just pop
if
up
you have an
with
opportunity.
Oh, I can't do shit from here.
Oh, hell yeah. We fucking got
Put it
it.
underneath the fucking tank.
Huh?
I didn't get underneath. It's not dead.
Oh, shit. Shit. Oh shit.
Was this thing on our side or their side?
It's on their side. Send that thing down. If you can. Oh shit. Surrender! Put your hands in the air.
Take off those pants too, real slowly. I was like, how do I kill you?
Put your hands up and your ass down.
Good game, man. Hey, who's got a grenade?
Nobody.
It's not a good one.
It's fucking beautiful though.
15 foot.
Right in that corner.
Do that shit.
Wait, let me get around you so I can push off that.
Frag out! Fuck, 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 grenade, grenade, grenade! Ah!
Jacob, start dragging us.
Medic!
The guy in the corner's alive too.
It don't matter. Fuck! Ah!
I'm not gonna go face those games again, bro.
hit Zaddy. You gotta say that when you get hit.
Daddy, I'm hit.
Yo, what if I just like climb a hill and I just go like this and then they see that and they're
Like in a chick.
and they're just like, holy fuck, like we surrender.
Dude, he's got